Hey there, it's your guy, Garrett Shelton for an iDigi affiliate, and today we're going to talk about the easiest way to make money on Clickbank um, online here. And this service here has been used, and multiple people have made money, confirmed made money with on Clickbank as well as I. So I want to talk about it and try to get everybody else on this train station. You know what I mean? And so when you the first thing you want to do is you go to Clickbank, log into Clickbank. We're gonna find an offer here. So we go to Clickbank. If you haven't logged into Clickbank, it's very easy to get into. Your name, phone number, well, all the stuff. Fill in all the stuff. Do all the things. And log in is very easy to do. There's no wall or anything you have to complete or anything like that. So as soon as you get into your account, you go to the marketplace. So the marketplace like this right here. So the service we're going to use is My Lead Gen Secrets. Now let's talk about My Lead Gen Secrets real quick. My Lead Gen Secrets is a service that lets you email 100 leads per day. Well, it gives you 100 leads per day to email, so to be more correct. These leads are interested in making money online. So what we're gonna do here, we're going to email them making money online offers. So e-business, e-marketing is the best offers to have here to make money online. So you want to click on that right there. Now you can make money. I'm not saying you can't, because people have made money with other sources, so it's such as health or whatever, but health and fitness. So people have made money that way, but it's not consistent, not congruent at all. The people that sign in to My Lead Gen Secrets are interested in making money online. So that's what you want to focus on. So we click on e-business, e-marketing. The first thing you want to do is set the gravity, so to speak, here to get all the what's at right now. Now the offers I found to work the best are the ones that are more like jobs or something like that. Then like, hey, make money real quick with. I'll show you the ones that I seen that makes the best money in my opinion. So I don't know why that's. I don't know why that was, but okay. So we're gonna focus on. This one has made a lot of money. This one is the best working one, I think, in my opinion. Made a lot of money with this one. Okay. Writing apps. Hold up. Are we on Gravity? Don't sound right. Okay, yeah. It still doesn't get played to you. Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. People are interested in that. So yeah, that's the best one to use in my opinion. I made money with Clickwealth system. It's not a ton as you can see, but I have made sales with it. Perpetual income. I have not gotten this to work. I haven't gotten this to let's see. Skip. Paid online writing job. This is a good one as well. Focus on job type thing. Yeah, that's a good offer. Let's see. Live chat jobs. This is also really good. Make money off of this one. Well, many affiliates. Look. Writing apps. That's another good one to make money off of. I think those are the ones I focus on. If I was this only. And not just trying other stuff, but those are the ones I've tried personally that have made money with me. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna focus on the top one here, since it's the top one. Facebook. It sounds interesting to me. So if it sounds interesting to you, it's gonna sound interesting to other people. You know what I mean? So when you get into My Lead Gen Secrets, let's just click on the page here. Any kind of page. I'm gonna have the link in the description, and of course it's an affiliate link. Make sure I say that. You're gonna see this page here, and you just click on Join My Lead Gen Secrets. Now what should pop up is you put your email in, and go and get that started. Very easy to do. Now it's $60 straight up, but then it's $30 a month after, right? So sign in, you pay $60, and then the next month you'll pay $30. See what I'm saying? But you get 100 leads a day, so it's insanely like I don't know if you know, but getting a lead for $1 would be insane. But you get 100 leads with this. So 100 leads to email. What you want to do that after you sign in, you come in. This is your bike office. So you click on mailing system here. Click your leads. You're probably only gonna have 100 leads when you first start. Maybe 200. As you can see, I get 200 leads a day. But I will talk about that later. But first, you find an email you want. So this is how you find your emails you're gonna put in there. So you click on that. We're gonna use this system here. Click on that, and you go to email swipes here. So see the email swipes here. Pick out one you want. I just start with the top one. YouTube wants to hire you, so just copy that, put it in the subject here. Now when you see name here, use first name fits. So you see that right here. Copy that first name paste. Now you can see I sent the email similar to this, but you could change it if you want to, but I just stick to what it says for the most part. But you could change it if you want to. Your goal is to get people into the email. So anything more surprising or shocking, maybe add some money up there or something like that. That'd be working. All right. So when you do that, or you can pick just this. He'll pay $9 a week if you work with him. Either one of these will work well. So just copy this here. Copy and paste. Simple as that. You see how easy it is? You don't gotta learn how to build a page or anything. Like, this is insane. That's why I say it's the easiest way to make money. For signature, you can pick whatever you want. I just pick my name. You pick your name. Pick management, something like that. Either one works. If the email looks like a job opportunity, I pick management. But if it's just like a regular email like this, I pick my name. That's how I do it. Replace name with first name fits, because those are the ones that work with my lead gen secrets. Codes here. So you see country, we don't have one for my lead gen secrets here. So what you do instead of country here, just pick your area. So we can click that out and go ahead and get that done. And after that, you want to get your email. Make sure it ain't no more codes in the email anywhere. I don't see any. So you want to get your link here. So you go here, promote link. You pick MLG. You pick whatever tracking code you want to pick. I pick MLGS1 because I only got one account. We're gonna use only one account here. But it's recommended to have at least 2 accounts to do this. It's purely a numbers game. It's gonna take a while. When you first start, you're only gonna have through email leads. So, but let's talk about that in a minute. Hold up, let me go and get finished with it. First, you put this in. I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Put that in where you need that to be. I bold this. Pick perfect timing. What perfect timing does is send it it'll send the email right around the time they are interested in opening when they open email. What you're gonna have down here is mail or preview. You can preview it. I already sent mine off. I forgot about that. Just a moment ago, I already sent mine off. But yeah, you'll have preview or mail. You just hit mail or preview. Make sure your link works, and then hit mail. Then you're done with sending your email here. Now, if you have multiple accounts, what you do is just wait here, go open it, my lead gen secrets again, and just do the same thing over and over again. So you get all your accounts sent in, right? Like that. Log into your other account. Now, when you make multiple accounts, let's talk about that. I want to show you something. Like I said, 100 leads per day, right? But I'm getting 200 leads per day, as you can see here. Now, the reason because of that is because I've gotten sales with my lead gen.
People are getting insane results.
All you need is one sale. You don't need multiple like I got. You just need one sale, and it jumps it up to 200 leads per day. That's 6,000 leads for $30, which is insane. A month. 6,000 leads a month for $30. That's what that turns into instead of 3,000. And yeah, and your money multiplies and it just keeps going. It'll get bigger and bigger. So after that, what you want to do is
People are getting insane
I'm sorry about
results
that.
using my
It just plays like
advertising.
that every time. All right, so when you want to make multiple accounts, what you do, you use your own affiliate link here. Use your own affiliate link. Now, the reason why when you use your own affiliate link, when you make multiple accounts, like use this account, like when you first start, you're not gonna have any sales on my lead gen secret. So when you use your own account to make another account, your leads will jump up. Not only will you make $5, but only once you make $5 a month for each sale. After that, so it goes from $30 to $25 a month. But you also boost your leads up to $200 for that account that you use an affiliate link for. So when you make multiple accounts, what you want to do is start it from that account before it and daisy chain it. So for the next account, when you want to open your third account, you just use your next account affiliate link, so on and so forth, like that. And that's how you build that up. Now you want to have, well, minimum you want to have 2 accounts. We're only going to use one for this example, but minimum you want to have 2 accounts. But it's best to have around 5 accounts. The more you have, the more leads you have, the more chance you will get sales. And 5 accounts is around that's $150 a month, right? But you take that, you'll make $20. That 150, it'll go down to 130. So that's $130 a month for 5 different accounts. But you're gonna get, not only it takes it down to 120, but you're gonna get multiple sales. You're gonna get multiple sales with Clickbank, which should average out around, well, most people when they have a lot of accounts going and all of that, and get to about $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 around there a month, which is just enough money to just cover everything in a normal life. For the most part, unless you're living in like New York or LA or something like that. But for the most part, $4,000 a month, that's all you need to do. You don't need to work anymore, something like that. So my advice would be to start doing this as soon as possible. Build it up, and by the time you on like your third, you'll get your first sale within the first month. That's the average for most people. Some people done it in day 11, some people day 21. Some people do it, the average is around 11 to 24, 25, day 11 to 24, 25. So keep this up for like a month, and you'll probably get your first sale. And once you do that, it explodes. You can start with just one account at first, so to speak. Start with just one account, and then you get your first sale. Then you say, okay, this is working, and then you can get your second account. Make sure, like I said before, make sure you become an affiliate of your own account. You can make multiple accounts. Remember that, and make sure you become an affiliate of your own account so you make some of that money back every month. Like I stated before, 5 accounts, if you daisy change, it comes down to from 150 to about, I'm thinking right, 130. I might not be doing the math right, because I'm doing it real quick in my head, but you save money. Save some money. And yeah, that's the best way to make money online. I think I went over everything. So we're gonna keep this up. The idea is to keep this up and make sure you guys are doing this as well. So we're gonna keep doing this, every day, and see what happens, and see if we can build ourselves up an income. And this, you don't need to learn how to build a page, you don't know. And the hardest, you don't learn how to build a page. You don't need no guru account. You don't need no guru course. You don't need no courses. You just don't need any courses in general. You don't need them. This works. It's worked with multiple people. Multiple people have confirmed that this works. You just gotta give it time. You gotta build it up. It's gonna take some time. You can build it up. You can do multiple things as well. Like maybe you want to post on Instagram start an account like that, TikTok, whatever. But for now, we're just gonna show you this. We're gonna focus on this because this is the easiest way to make money online that I've ever found. Easy, that works. It's a bunch of stuff out there that says it works. This works. It just takes time. Everybody has made money doing this. Now, it might not be a crazy amount, $3,000, $4,000, depending on what you think of as a lot of money, but it works. And you can promote other offers as well to make a ton of money. But for right now, let's focus on Clickbank and make money with that. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Good luck out there, and I'm gonna keep pitching stuff out to make sure you guys are keeping up, so we can do this together and see if we can build up together. All right.